to shut down El Paso's Annunciation House. And joining us now, County Judge Ricardo Samaniego to talk about the ruling. Thank you so much for joining us, Judge.
Thank you for having me.
I know the state failed to establish probable grounds to close the nonprofit. So what are your thoughts on the decision that was made yesterday?
I can't tell. There's so many people. When that happened, I can tell you the support that went out to Ruben Garcia and his team at Annunciation House was just amazing. And we were all, because we recognized the importance. I mean, they've been there like 45 years. A lot of our success of not having individuals in the streets comes from Annunciation House being able to help us process the migrants. And so for us, it was extremely important that it was denied, and I thank Judge Dominguez for doing that. But also, to me and to others, it was sort of the line in the sand, because if that had taken place, that would have given them authority to do other things. And I know, we have difference of philosophy between the state government and ourselves, and that would limit us tremendously. We're probably one of the most collaborative communities of any in the border. When we have 3,000 people in a war situation, some places in the border, they might have 10, 12, 14,000 individuals in the street. And so we're very fortunate. We think we understand how to maintain and process our migrants, and this would have been a huge handicap for our community had it not been denied.
Well, I also have to ask you, too, about the 5th anniversary of the August 3rd, which is coming up. So what is the county doing to honor the victims and their families on the anniversary, I should say?
Well, we've been very excited about, it's something we wanted to do for the community. We authored it. It came out of the county judge's office of trying to do something to move our community forward. As you know, it's now a national memorial. It's an amazing place. We get so many individuals that come in. There's people like Dolores Huerta. A lot of individuals have seen it. And every year we try to do something spectacular, whether it was at one time it was the labyrinth that we placed there, the lighting that everybody loves. This year we're very fortunate. We started with 16 muralists that competed, and we ended up with 5 and then eventually with 3. And it's spectacular. I mean, I've been able to see some of the work, and it will be unveiling the mural behind the healing garden, which is something that it was difficult to see so much beauty in the front, and then at the back end it didn't look as spectacular. So we're very excited about that. And then thanks to Liz from the gas company, we're putting an eternal flame. Won't give you too much details because I want it to be exciting. So
okay, yeah, I was going to ask who was in charge, or where did the idea come from, who put it together. So who is going to be in charge of kind of keeping it together, I should say?
This is my office. We have individuals that we've contacted, like Dolores Huerta. We've contacted like Khalid. We've contacted like Aaron Jones. We wanted to be a great opportunity for the community to sense that, what we've done for the victims. We're one of the very few. We do vigils. Unfortunately, when there's other mass shootings around the country, we do vigils from there. There hasn't been any community that has come together like that and has shown something as amazing to honor the victims and also their families. I'm sure it's a huge healing component, is to be able to go to the healing garden and see how we honored some of the family members. But just remember, it's not only the victims, but we had almost 25 individuals that got wounded, and the impact it's had on the entire community. So we welcome you. August 3rd is actually a Saturday. We have a tremendous amount of activities. Just go into the county webpage and you'll see that it's going to be pretty spectacular. The 5th anniversary really is very important. It's close enough, but we don't want to move away from it without honoring the victims.
What a great way to honor the victims and their families. County Judge Ricardo Samaniego, thank you for your time. Have a safe and happy 4th of July
safe.
holiday.
Keep it safe tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.